What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on the QCRC YouTube channel. I wanted to thank you guys for being here. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I wanted to let you know that today is a very special day. Not only is it another great day to watch this video, but it's a beautiful day to let you know we are elevating RC racing at its finest with a beautiful new array of products from the QCRC racing line. Let's dive into it. Boys, let's face it. Normal, well, it's boring. Boring! We got in this hobby to have fun. We got in this hobby to be different. We got in this hobby to stand out. We got in this hobby because things are cool. Things are very unique, very meticulous. We got in this hobby because there's a lot of cool things about it. And our tools should not be the only normal thing in this hobby. The beautiful array in front of me of racing products is designed to carry our UFO theme across the board. As you see here, I went a little crazy with it and I'm not upset about it. And I don't think you will be either. Why should you wrench on your car in normality? Why should you not wrench on your car in style? We are setting out to not only defy normality, but to launch your experience of RC working in a whole new dimension. And that's where these beautiful products come into play here. We have everything from car stands for your 1/10 scales, car stands for your 8 scales, higher organized screw tray for nitro and electric with a magnetic screw tray, a diff station for your front, center, and rear diff, carrying all your shims and your O-rings in a beautiful slim package here. Fits nicely, wraps up in your box, airline friendly. Take this thing across the country wherever you need to go. It's going to do the job well, do it effectively, and do it at compromising no space. We're diving over here into our shock stands. If you ever try to bleed your shocks and be like, dang, I really just want to get all this oil out of here, well, look no farther than the QCRC shock stand. Today, this is also bringing a new industry standard here where I wanted to incorporate everything in one. Here we have a beautiful top piece. We have beautiful stands right here carrying the kind of UFO vibe. We have a beautiful tray that not only holds screws, but holds fluid. As you see, you have an 8 scale version and a 10 scale version. Now you see a shock holding upside down. You're like, Quade, why are you holding the shock upside down? Well, I'm holding it up so you can drain the oil out of these shocks while you're working on them. This is going to offer you to be able to drain oil out of them at the bottom, be able to mount them in the top with the spring off, and be able to sit here and let them bleed. It's going to mount all 4 shocks simultaneously at the same time, catch all of your fluid, drain it out, take this thing, wipe it. All that's going to be great, and you're not going to have to worry about cleaning up a mess, throwing away a cup. Everything is self-confined in together. And when you're done with that, you're going to pop this guy apart, fold him up, and he's going to turn into a beautiful way to carry your things to and from the track. No bulky items here, no nothing to get in your way. Super easy and effective solutions for your racing platform. So boys, are you going to join the QCRC revolution and give your workspace a touch of cosmic style with the QCRC racing line? We have a bunch of products here lined up, guys. This is going to be phenomenal for you, all of you racers, all of you bashers as alike. This is going to help keep everything super organized, keep everything together, and really just make your life easier at the end of the day. Sometimes wrenching can get terrible. It can get frustrating. You lose things. You don't know where things went. Things just magically jump off the workbench, and that's part of this. This is supposed to help eliminate all of those issues. Diving into our car stands right here, we see we have 2 beautiful designs here. We have a 10 scale version and we have an 8 scale version. These guys are going to pop apart just like this, and then you're going to be able to fold them up, take them however you wish. You're going to line up perfectly, pop just like that together. Bam, you're ready to go. Same with this gym right here. One has a little bit smaller base to cater to the smaller cars, and one has a bigger base to cater to the bigger cars. This is going to help you in so many ways. You can go ahead and spin your car around, have a beautiful stand, be like, oh, hey, you got some style, man. You got some taste. And that's exactly what we're going for with this. We want to be different. We want to not be average, guys. Average is the enemy. We're trying to get as far away from average as we possibly can. We're going to dive into this with a fresh, open mind, being fun, being practical, but also being super useful and a beautiful design. Our logo painted nicely across the top here, UFO on the top as well. It's got some little hexagon designs here, logo on the bottom. This thing is solid, like it's very sturdy. I can't break it, I can't try to break it. You can do whichever you want with it, and she's not going nowhere. Super effective options, fold into place, compact, get the job done and do everything you need to, and then look awesome while you're doing it. Look at how beautiful these guys look together. Get some matching bodies, matching stands. These are going to come in a beautiful array of colors. That's everything I got for you today. A beautiful line of RC products developed to you racers and even you bashers alike can use this setup. It's going to help you be so effective with repairing your car. It's going to help you keep everything organized. not get frustrated, and ultimately help your travels as well. Traveling back and forth to races can be grueling. It can be a lot of task to carry all of your giant items back and forth, and it can take a toll on you. Let us help you take the ease out of carrying all these big bulky items and bring it into one small package for you. They're not going to take up room, they're not going to be bulky, and most importantly, guys, they're not going to get in your way. Someone's going to walk past your table, be like, what is that? Don't be left in the dark, guys. Come join us on our universal journey, making RC products better for all. And go to QCRCHobbies.com to pick up any of the products you see today. Check us out on Instagram, check us out on Facebook, and be tuned for our new RC track coming to South Carolina. It's a beautiful day, guys. It's a beautiful opportunity to be here. I love you so much, and I thank you for checking out this video. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you want to see any other products. Is there something I haven't thought of that you guys are dying to have in the industry that you guys want to see someone make? Drop a comment down below, guys. If I pick one of your ideas, you will get the first prototype and I will send it to you for free. You will get the first prototype and I will send it to you for free. Comment down below. Let me know what products you guys want designed. Let me know what you're thinking. I love to hear you guys' feedback, and I thank you so much for watching this video. Drop it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you feel a little frisky, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any QCRC updates coming to you soon. Love you guys. I will see you later.